In this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate SendGrid with WordPress. So in order to integrate your SendGrid with WordPress, what you can do is you first need to head over to SendGrid.com, click onto the Start for Free, or click onto the See Plans and Pricing in order to see the plans they actually offer. Once you have created an account, when you click on this, you should be able to have it. So once you have it, just click on the Sign In option right here in order to sign in. So next, head over to WordPress.com and click on Get Started in order to create an account. Or if you already have one, proceed to log in from there as well. Now, as you can see, SendGrid actually supports integrations with WordPress. So from in there, you can just head over to sendgrid.com/partner/WordPress and you can see this right here. You can choose for developers as well as for marketers option, and they have in here some free trials as well as basic, advanced, and custom options that we can use. In order to configure it, first, head over to sendgrid.com, verify your account, and then confirm your email address. Once you're in there, just head over and then recommend setting up the two-factor authentication from there. Now create an API key once you're on your settings. And then from in there, choose in here the name of your API key as well as the API key permissions and create and view that. Copy the API key that you have generated and then onto your actual WordPress. Head over and install the plugin which is Post SMTP. Then click on the Start the Wizard. Now from in there, you can just input right here your details like your email address, the name that it will have, and from in there, just input right here the outgoing mail server hostname. In this case, it's smtp.sendgrid.net and click on Next. From in there, input right here SendGrid API, click on Next, input right here API key that you have copied, and after that, input right here the UID that you want, and then you can send a test email in order to see if it's working. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.